Stop whatever it is that you're doing and listen up. If you've been thinking about buying FL Studio, now is the best time. Right now, FL Studio is 20% off, but only until August 4th. If you've been waiting for a sale, now is the time to take advantage of it. Whether you're just getting started with music production or you're ready to upgrade to a larger edition, this is a great opportunity to save some money. One of the biggest reasons I recommend FL Studio is its lifetime free updates. You buy it once and every future version is yours for free. That's something you don't see very often with professional software. And here's something personal. Years ago, I couldn't afford FL Studio. I used a pirated copy because I simply didn't have the money. I never imagined that one day I'd become an official ImageLine affiliate partner. Looking back, it's a reminder of how far things can change with time and hard work. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to buy FL Studio, this is the time. If you do decide to pick it up, I'd really appreciate if you use my affiliate link down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it directly supports the channel and helps me keep making tutorials and music production content. Just don't wait too long. The 20% summer sale ends on August 4th. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.